Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a project management tool with Trello. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Trello website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Board option. Choose a name for your board that reflects your project. Select the background color or image to customize your board. Now, let's create lists to organize your tasks. Click on the Add a List option and enter a title for your first list, such as To Do. Repeat this process to create lists for in progress and completed. With your list set up, it's time to add cards for each task. Click on Add a Card under the To-Do list. Enter a title for your task and click on Add Card to save it. To add more details to your card, click on it to open the task view. You can include descriptions, due dates, and attachments in this section. Explore the Labels feature to categorize your tasks by priority or type. Drag and drop cards between lists as your tasks progress. To assign tasks to team members, click on Members within the card view. Select the team members you wish to assign to each task. Next, consider using checklists for tasks that have multiple steps. In the card view, find the checklist option and click Add Checklist. You can now add individual items that need to be completed. This helps keep everyone on track and aware of timelines. For collaboration, encourage your team members to leave comments on the cards. Regularly check and update the status of tasks to maintain progress. Utilize Trello's power-ups for enhanced features like calendar views and integrations. Explore other power-ups that suit the needs of your project. Finally, make a habit of reviewing your board regularly to identify bottlenecks. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing your projects effectively with Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.